Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color animal balloons step by step. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, I'll start with the dog's nose, then its eye and a cute, smiling mouth. Next, I'll draw the floppy ears. Let's add its neck balloon and 4 legs like this. Finally, I'll draw a curly little tail. Next to the dog, I'll draw a giraffe balloon. Start with its nose and eye, then add to small ears. I'll draw a long, tall neck just like a real giraffe. Now let's draw its 4 legs and a swishy tail. To make the drawing pop, I'll use a black marker to outline everything. And don't forget the highlights to make it look shiny. Time to color. For this drawing, we only need 2 colors, red and orange. First, I'll use red to paint the dog balloon. Then, I'll use orange for the giraffe balloon. Great job! Let's move on to the next animal balloons. Let's draw a horse balloon and a butterfly balloon. Let's start with the horse balloon. First, I'll draw its head, then its mouth and face like this. Next, I'll draw 2 ears and its neck. Let's add a beautiful mane for strong legs and a swishy tail. Now, let's draw a butterfly balloon. I'll start with the butterfly's head and body. Finally, I'll draw its big, beautiful wings to complete the balloon. Outline everything with a black marker and add highlights to make the balloon shine. Time to color. For the horse balloon, I'll use dark yellow for the body and brown for the mane and tail. For the butterfly balloon, I'll use dark purple for its body and light purple for its wings. Wow, they look amazing. Now, let's draw our final balloons, a unicorn and a rabbit. Let's start with the unicorn balloon. First, I'll draw its face and mouth like this. Next, I'll add its ears and a long, magical horn. Unicorns only have one horn. I'll draw its neck to front legs, its body, and finally its tail. Now, let's draw a rabbit balloon. I'll start with its round cheeks, then add its nose and cute eyes. Next, I'll draw its two long ears. Let's add its neck to front legs and to hind legs to complete the rabbit balloon. Use the black marker to outline everything, and don't forget to add those shiny highlights. Time to color. For the unicorn balloon, I'll use pink for its horn and part of its mane. Then I'll add orange, yellow, and green to color its face, ears, and neck. For the rabbit balloon, I'll use dark blue for its ears, cheeks, and body. Great job, everyone! Our drawings are finished, and they look fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support us. See you in the next video. Goodbye!